Yo, what's up, everybody? Happy Monday, or sorry, Tuesday. Happy Tuesday. What's up? Licorice, hey man, welcome back, dude. Nice to see you. How we doing? How we doing? Welcome in. Yeah, man. Thanks. Yeah, thanks for stopping by today. Totally forgot it was, it was Tuesday. Today's Tuesday. Happy darkness. Yes, happy darkness to you as well. It's a dark time these days. Oh, the blinds are open. I love that sound. That's one of the first things you notice. Yeah, I did, huh? I opened them this time. Guess we'll see how it goes. Yeah, so happy Tuesday. Going on with the music theme for the streams. Today is Lo-Fi Mondays. Oh shit, it's Tuesday. Damn it. I think my tweet says it's Monday. Feels so bad. And I think my Discord thing says Tuesday too. It says Monday too. It does. We're just gonna edit that. Twitter, we're a goner. Oh my god. Yeah, F in the chat, friends. F in the chat. Terrible. Today feels like my Tuesday. Today feels like my Monday. End stream now before you destroy everything. Sounds like a pretty solid plan, honestly. Well, I hope you all had a great weekend, and thanks for coming out today. And I hope you had a great Monday. Today is Tuesday. No, today feels like my Monday. I know it's Tuesday. God damn it. Feels bad, man. Feels real bad. But let's talk more about Grüvee, huh? Because we're on day 42. We're on day 42 of Grüvee. In the last stream, we decided to go with a whole new comments section. So instead of adding our comments inside of the actual song item itself, we're actually going to go ahead and pop out a whole new view that has a bunch of comments in them. And we started implementing that last, I think Friday it was, or Thursday. No, last Thursday, I think. So we're going to continue on with that today. Today, what we're really working on is actually dealing with the state of our comments. So we have the idea of adding, deleting comments, all that stuff. And what we're pretty much going to do is just make sure that we pass our state along properly and make sure that it's all good. Hey, Silly, welcome. Nice to see you, dude. Welcome. I'm working from home today, so there's this new guy at the desk next to mine at work. He's getting on my nerves like every 10 minutes at least. So I go off today. I'll quit my job. Oh my god. Dude, what is he doing that's annoying you? Hey, DK, what's up, dude? Please love me. Wow. Dude, always. Always love you, man. Anytime. How's it going, dude? But yeah, so that's what we're gonna do today. Pretty much just get back on the grind with that. So I think the first thing we should do is probably get everything started. And let's see where we left off. See where we left off. Day 42 of Grüvee. Craziness. Yo, what's up, Nah fam? I just realized how dumb I am. I thought you weren't streaming because your profile picture looks the same offline as online. Dude. Yeah, a lot of people have told me that, and I really should change it. I should probably do that, like, now. Because I wonder how many people... I think a lot of people probably think that. But thanks for bringing it up. And welcome in, dude. Thanks for being here. He's holding his breath while he's listening to music, so he's breathing very heavy when he first breathes. And then he's stomping to the beat. Oh my god. Dude. I am so sorry. Sounds like a time. Oh. Yeah. No, yeah, you're right. You can't trust non-hungers. +1 to that. Agreed. You having a grumpy day? Oh, because you have an interview in 25 minutes. That's why. Interviews are always no fun. Except they could be exciting. I hope it goes well, Roars. Can you tell us more about it? Or is it secretness? Hey, the developer! Welcome back, man. I feel like I haven't seen you in quite some time. Alright, let's get this thing here. I think we should be good. It's not really much we need. Alright. So, we go back then to our comments, excuse me. Alright, we gotta fix that. But so we're at the point where we can delete stuff. Oh, so I guess let's like make sure we write this thing. More so it's make sure to hide delete action if the comment was not written by you. Fix delete action not being fully hidden. Set up proper state. Okay. Want to make sure we have that there. Purple team. Yo. Evgen in disguise. What's up, dude? Welcome. I think I lost my sub. Yeah, looks like it. There's a weird freelance mentoring program. It's non-tech one, so they're just making sure I'm not a complete C word. The C word. Well, that's good. That's good. Yeah, that headphones is hard. I wear headphones like a good amount of the time, and I wish I didn't have to. I'd rather have headphones or speakers. Man, I'm like mixing up words today and days apparently. Cause I got big ears, big ear probs. Yeah, I've been contemplating getting the new AirPods. I can't swing it. I don't see why I need them right now. Yeah, it's a good cover. Or you should want to delete your comment. Okay, cool. So at this point, what we're gonna do is on confirm delete, which is this thing here. We're setting is deleting to true, and then on confirm delete action. And then passing the comment itself, so confirm delete alert. Confirm delete comment action. So where did we put this thing? I always get like so jacked up because there's so many different here it is. Is this Pierce the Veil? Oh my gosh. Or like this is Homeboy from Pierce the Veil. Oh, gotcha. This will be Metal Cover Tuesday? Dude, I got Lo-Fi Tuesday today. Last week we did Metal Wednesdays, I think. Or it was Metal Thursdays? I can't remember what day it was. Yeah, I really don't. I literally thought today was Monday until I started. I'm all jacked up, man. What? Evgen, has it already been a freaking month since you last subscribed? Dude. Cheers, man. Thank you so much for that resub. 11 months. Holy shit. You're going to be 1 year next month. You're going to be 1 freaking year. I'm scared. Oh my god. Only 1 month behind the VIP. Let's go. Thanks so much, Royce. 10 months. You're currently on a 10-month streak? Jesus. So much love. Thank you so much, you both. Appreciate you guys. Oh, it didn't go through last time? Oh, that's weird. Okay, so that's so weird. Yeah, it was, right? I'm like, I swear this was just like literally so recent. Damn. But thanks, man. Really appreciate it. Alright, so our delete item by ID method, our swipeable comments. So this thing is getting set up here. And then it's the delete comment action that we're passing back. So here it is. So essentially what we want to do is we're passing over the comment ID, from here. Or we should be at least. Let's go to animated swipe row. I think we're gonna need to pass in the ID, not here. Damn, these are some good covers. Swipe action callback. Yeah, we're gonna want to pass in the comment ID here. So it should be just comment.id. But let's verify that because I don't quite remember. We go to all lib song comment this.id. That is correcto. Someone almost stole the codebase from my friend's project yesterday, so we spent most of the day convincing the dude to give it back. What a day. Wait, what? Yeah, yeah, I'm on the same boat. Whoa. Yeah, I'm interested to hear more about this, and I think we all are. Alright, so we pass in our delete item by ID, which will take our comment ID coming from our list, because that is delete comment action. And so if we have that, again, in our comment list view, we have our list of comments. We just need to we essentially need to filter out the comment. Yeah, that has the ID. Splinter! Holy Jesus. Welcome back, man. Howdy ho there, neighbor. How you doing, dude? Super nice to see you. Oh, interesting, DK. Really, really interesting. Home of Lo-Fi Mondays. I know, dude. I messed up. I thought today was Monday. It is Tuesday. Yeah, that's... Anyways. Dude, literally, like, when I first started streaming, I'm like, yeah, welcome, like, happy Monday, everyone. Literally, for, like, a good 5 minutes, I'm like, wait a minute. Holy bejesus. I was reading a Reddit thread earlier. Someone learned from spending 2 to 3 days on JavaScript getting rejected, then seeing their code on someone else's GitHub account. Really? What? It's crazy. You cut all of your hair off, Alex? Thanks, man. Yeah, I did. A little while ago, but I'm actually growing it back out. Had the side shaved for a little while. It's top short, but now it's all being grown out again. It's gonna take a little bit of time. How are you doing, man? What's going on? I know, Roars. Thank you. Thank you. Dude, feels bad, man. We came as Romans. Alright, I don't remember how we did this. I think we... I gotta look, because I think it was in our songs we used this, right? And then we had a use effect. Excuse me. Yeah, I did this thing, and then we set the playlist, right? That's what I remember. I just couldn't exactly remember. So we start off with an empty array. And then here we'll do a Use effect. Use effect. Use effect. Empty erase, we only render it on first go. And that should be good. Bring back the bun? Heck yeah, dude. Bring back the bun. It'll be coming back. Just give it some time. Just tired? Monday can bite me. Well, good thing it's Tuesday. Have a good one, dude. Yeah, hope to talk to you soon, man. Thanks for stopping by. Taking Back Mondays. That's my new cover band, Taking Back Mondays. Dude, yeah, WeCar is really good. I think I love their new tracks, man. Freaking love their new stuff. Alright, so here on our use effect, we're going to do our set comments of the comments that we pass in. Right? Oh, right. We need to do the spread. The spread. I need to call this comment state. There we go. Okay, cool. So do our use effect on there. Probably keep that. And then that will add our comments into our state. And then at this point, we need to pass over our comments state. Should be good there. And then here we can do our filter. Dude, I didn't realize that there's so many covers. It's actually pretty crazy. Yeah, so essentially we're just going to do this same thing. To be set comment state. And it's going to be comments state dot filter for every comment where comment.id does not equal comment ID. Boom. And that should do it for us. So if I can remember correctly, I'd follow that, man. Yo, that's one of the life goals, man. I gotta play one live show. Can we just, AI gets better. I just want to hear Ed Sheeran cover every song. Ed Sheeran does do some pretty great covers. Okay, so at this point we should be good. Let's put a console statement just in here. Starting delete. So we know that we're here. So pretty much. So we update our comments for this song, right? And then I think at that point that's, I don't know if we're gonna need to reset the state for the song itself. I think we might. I guess we can try it out. So we go to, again, Cool Kids Music Playlist. We have the songs here. We're gonna go to some cool new song. It has these, and so I'm gonna delete the last one. Oh. Okay. Maybe I'm not. Well, I guess we should probably see what's going on. It's weird. What did I change? Swipeable comment item. What? What happened to my stuff? Oh my god, this is oh man, I forgot the name of the band, but I haven't heard them in a really, really long time. Alright, hold on, I'm gonna stash this real quick. Okay, cool. A Skylit Drive, yes. Okay, I'm like, I knew it. I knew it. Yeah, that's what it sounded like. Nice. Alright, so it looks like it's actually something in it's in a comment list view. Looks like it looks like it might be something in here. Oh, don't I need to do like a return or something? Skylit Drive, dude. I haven't heard these guys in so long. No, that was only for that. But every other use effect we don't need to use that, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it's just like that. Oh. Did I need? What if I just did the comments? I don't remember why I spread it there. Alright, well I guess let's start just commenting out some changes here. And see what the heck happened. I mean, the only thing I could really think of is to set common state. Set common state with comments. So if I did this, I feel like this was probably the biggest change. I don't know why this would affect my delete though. Yo, Jay Louise, what's up? VS Code. The VS Code theme is Atom One Dark. Atom One Dark. Oh, James isn't here, but I started using the Dracula theme in at work in my VS Code editor. It's actually pretty great. I judged the man. Come on, Roars, you know how much I used to love. Yeah, thanks. I think it's nice. I like the Atom One Dark. Delete comment action. Okay. There it is. Okay, so it must have been actually something to do. It was rendering before, so that's interesting. Damn, can I get headhunted? How does this work? Please help. Please send help. Okay, cool. So if I come here, I delete this thing. And I delete that. Oh, gee. Oh, it's because they all have the same ID, so I probably should change that. You already work for Bill Microsoft? What do you mean? I don't know, man. Jeez. Just like I wanna feel special too. Yo, this is positive only chat. That's all I gotta say. Okay, so see that we have the state set here for the comments, right? And they delete, which is good. And then but the problem is if we go back, obviously they're still there. So first of all, let's go change our mock data so that not all of our IDs are the same. And then we're gonna need to update the actual song state, which then we'll have to probably update the playlist state. So I go here and I delete this. Oh lord, what? Oh, that's why, because we should do the spread, right? Yeah. So we do this filter, and then we did the delete song from playlist action. So we're gonna have to do a delete comment from song action. Don't we make you feel special? Always. Always, man. But you know. Being headhunted sounds like people were special. Feels bad. Imagine one of the Twitch admins came in here and offered you a job at Amazon. Yeah, probably would not take it, in all honesty. In all honesty. That would be pretty wild, though. Just out of nowhere, they're like, we like your style. You should come work at Amazon. I'd be like, he wouldn't offer it to you in the first place? Jeez. Yo, Abjo, what did I do to you today, man? Shit. Oh, I guess it's just one of those days. It's just one of those days. Okay. Making me lose track of what I'm doing. Like always. Let's first set up our mock data to have different IDs. Song 0, song 1, song 2. Oh, we need comments. What am I saying? Comment 0. Comment 1. Comment 2. Comment 3. Comment 4. Comment 5. Comment 6. Comment 7. Cool. Yo, Genos, what's up? Don't drain the bat? Okay. I'm not really quite sure what that means, but I'll make sure not to. You look at the stream and be like, he made 3 pages for his app that barely functioning in 42 days. Jesus. Not true. Not true. Why do the IDs have text in them? Internal read? What do you mean? My IDs are just going to be strings. This is all just mock for now, my friend. Oh yeah, that's just for now. It's just so I can I just have some ID. So if I go back over here, I delete that. Okay, cool. All right. Looks good. So now let's add our next action, which will be set comment states, and then we're going to delete comment from song. So what I did for here is a delete from playlist. I think I passed that in, right? Yeah. So we'll do the same thing over here. We'll have a comments, delete, comment from song, action. Ooh. And so we need our song list view. So for this, let's think about this real quick. Caparino, yo there, what's up? Hey man, nice to see you, buddy. Rolling in the dip. Rolling in the dip. It's a good one. Is jQuery's .click function equivalent to .click? I have no idea, in all honesty. And what .click are you referring to? The non-jQuery one. Oh, gotcha. So inside .click you can't just do brackets. That would just be like you're passing in an object, right, into the click method. And the click method takes in a callback or like a function that is called on click, right? So you would have to do it like that, or you can do, if you're using ES6, you could do this as well. This would also be considered like a function. Yeah, I mean, in JavaScript, you don't have to pass in anything if you're not using it. Oh, dude, dance, Gavin, dance. Hell yeah. Dude, I actually just bought tickets to their show for next year. They're coming here. And they're playing the day before my birthday. Well, now you can. Yeah, there you go. So delete comment from song action. We need to do... playlist view. And then we had the delete song. Okay, so update playlist equals playlist.map playlist to equals playlist ID. Okay, so we need to do something similar to this, right? Because we have the list of songs. And then if the song ID is equal to the ID that we pass in, playlist.songs, we filter out the song and we remove it from there, and then we reset. So then it'll reload the comments. And I feel like we probably need to pass that up even one more level to our actual playlist. Else it's not going to work. Oh, what do you think of Canvas and HTML5? Should I use WebGL and stuff? Do you notice I wouldn't be able to tell you. I don't have enough experience in those to, you know, be able to give you good insight. Maybe someone else in the chat does. I feel like someone is shouting at me. Dude, just embrace it. Just embrace it. Okay, so we're going to need to pass in the song ID and then comment ID. So literally, I'm just going to pretty much use this same flow. Obviously, you need to have updated songs. And so for this, we have songs to display. And then we're going to map each song if the song ID is equal to the playlist ID. We're going to take our wait a minute. So updated songs. Playlist.songs equal playlist.songs.filter. It should be then song.comments equals song.comments.filter. The comment, where the comment.id does not equal the comment ID. Okay. So a lot of like weird crap going on there. Do that, and then it should be set songs to display with our updated songs. Okay. Wowza. You just do that all the time? It's definitely a special type of listening experience, but it is quite large. There's tons of people in the world that listen to this type of music. Heck yeah. It's very good. Once you just give it a chance, you know what I mean? Alright, so we're gonna do our delete comment from song action, swipeable song item. And then we're gonna need to pass that down one more level. Songless view. We take our swipeable song item. Swipeable song item. Wait a minute. There. The commentless view. Comments list. Yeah, so that's where we need to go. Comments list, view. And so our song list, so how did we get from our song list? We used the navigation, right? Yeah. Oh. This actually... Well, no, this is our song list. And so, on our swipeless view, we're going to render item. Render item is a swipeable song item. So swipeable song item should have access to then our list item component, where that's the one that we need, which is a song item. So we need to pass it down to the song item level, I believe. Yeah, because we have song item comment bar. Holy Jesus, we're gonna have to pass this down real far. Okay. Taking the dive then. So delete song from playlist action needs to be passed into the render item. Where's my render item function? Hello, hello. Oh, here it is. This is a playlist, so we don't want that. We need it here. So this is swipeable song item. So in swipeable song item, we're going to need to go down here. Delete comment from song action. And then at this point, we need to pass this down to our list component item method. Which is going to be the render song item. So we need to pass this here to our song item. So our song item now will take this. And then we need to pass this down to our song item comment bar. Oh my god. Jesus Christ, man. This is going so deep. So then we need to go to the song item comment bar. And then we do our pass props here. which should be that. Wowza. And Festify just died, so please hold. Okay. All right, we can just do this, right? So let's go to sorry, I was fixing Festify real quick. I don't know why I died, but it should come back shortly. There we go. Hey, Anthony, what's up? Have you published any apps on the Play Store? On the Play Store, no. On the App Store, yes. This will be the first app published on the Play Store for me, which will be really cool. Okay, and then our comment list view, yes, then we get that. So at this point, we should probably make sure that we actually have our detailed comment from song action. Or delete comment from song action. And so at this point, we're going to pass in the song ID. We have, oh, we don't have the comments here. We have the comment ID, but we need the song ID as well. So let's, I guess we'll just pass in a new prop called song ID. I guess I can always just pass in the entire thing, but I don't know. I'd rather do it like this for some reason. Okay, so at this point we should be down here. So let's do a console.log and do a delete comment from song action, just to make sure that it's actually, I mean, I guess at this point, let's see if it's actually reaching here. It should just print out our function, which should be good. Whoa, okay. Delete comment from song action is not defined. Render song item, so full song item. Did I not? Oh, I gotta pass it in here. Gotcha. This is out. I don't know why I did this. I feel like there's gonna be a lot of refactoring to do here. Oh god. Yeah, I think there's gonna be a lot of refactoring to do here. This is like, as I've learned more about React and how it works, I've done a bunch of different styles on each file, or like each component that I make. Cannot property ID of undefined. Okay. This is navigate to comments list action. Navigate to comments list action. Song item comment bar. Oh, right. But song. Well, that's weird. It should have, right? My mock data. It should have an ID, which it does right there. So I guess we should look at song item comment bar. Oh, that's why. Oh no, the song data is being passed in here. So navigate to comments list action, song data. Then we have our actual song item comment bar, song data. So I guess it's console.log this. Yeah, let's take a look here. This is a weird one. it just comes back as undefined. Maybe I didn't pass it into my song item comments bar. I might have messed something up on the way down here, maybe? Song item. Yo, Chevy, what's up, dude? Welcome in. Let's go. I'm really confused by this. It must have been something I changed because obviously this was working before, right? Let's just make sure our song item let's do this. In song item. I'm just gonna keep going down, or going up the stack. What? Interesting. So song item comment bar. This is being used here in our song item, right? In our song item, I guess here let's do let's see what it prints out here. Oh, oops. Oh man, I have to do this. Gotta remove that. Then do this. Then do return. Let's reload it, see what happens. Why does it only go to the song? I'm so confused by it. The song item bar. Like it doesn't hit any of, it doesn't hit render song item or anything. Unless it's not. So I can't? But you would think that if this is getting called, this should happen here, right? Oh, unless... Oh, I think I see what the problem is. So navigate to comments list action. My song item comments bar, I don't think I passed it in. So song item comments bar, song data, and then delete comment from song action. But why is this undefined? Oh, wait a minute. Song item detail, no, that's cool. We pass in the song data there. Right? And then we have the song comments bar itself, which we did not pass this into. We did this. Delete comment from song action here, and then navigate to comments list action. We'll take that, though I don't think that, I mean, that's not the error we were getting. I just got an email from a recruiter looking for senior developers. Hey, there you go, dude. They like your stuff. Senior developer status right there. Alright, this is so weird. I want to see if this thing's getting passed in even. I'm done for the day. Now I need to take a shower and play some COD. Woo! Nice hanging out for a bit, Alec. Have a great stream. Thanks, Licorice. Have a good time playing COD, man. Appreciate you being here. Okay, so song item comment bar is also coming back null. Is undefined. I mean, all right. What did I mess up? Yeah, because this, all the params that are being passed in here. Wait, why is this wrapped in brackets? Right? Shouldn't it just be this? I think that might have been it. Maybe not though? Yeah, that was, okay, that was it. That was really weird. Yeah, here we go. Okay. Why were there brackets around that thing? Maybe there was something I typed in and it auto-corrected it. I mean, all my issues on LinkedIn, so surely you must think that's enough, right? Am I wrong in assuming that? I mean, they could like what your LinkedIn has, which is really good. And then, yeah, just talk to them, man. I mean, if they're reaching out to you and they're a legitimate source, why not? If anything, it can be a good interview experience. Nothing ever hurts from talking to people. That's my motto there. Okay, so now if I run delete. Okay, it came in. It got all the way back to our comments list view, which is great. And so now we should have 7 here. We do. It worked. Yes. That was almost the first try. That was almost the first try. How exciting. But so now let's delete this. 7. And if I go back here, it goes back to 8. Yeah, so now we need to update that in the playlist. Oh, Jesus. The original of this song is actually one of my favorite songs of all time. Really? It's awesome, man. It's like, it's a good song. Don't get me wrong. It's a good song. I'm just... I think I like this version better, in all honesty. All right, I'm going to commit this stuff because there's a lot that we've already done here. We need to git add, git commit. Adding delete method. Up to song list. Yeah, pushing it, baby. Woo! I like these covers though, man. I gotta listen to this album more. What's up, Zonix? Delete button if freezing during sliding the views. Wait, what? Yeah, I know. I haven't caught up with it, Evgen. But these are like some pretty lit songs. Like I really do enjoy them. All right, so now we have our song list view, our playlist view. Where does our song list view go to now? Oh, it does the navigation, right? So it's on top of the playlist item. Red button is shown on the previous view when switching to the next. Oh, you mean like right over here? Oh, or you mean when you tap that? Yeah, that's something I gotta I gotta fix. That's because of the opacity component that we're using. No matter when you tap it, it just changes the opacity. So I haven't spent time to sit down and figure out how like I'm gonna handle that. But yeah, no, thanks, man. Appreciate that. Yeah, might as well. DK, message her back. Hey, Vicus, welcome in, man. How we doing? How we doing? Swipeable playlist item, that's what I think we would go to. So it's in our playlist item? Okay. Playlist item it is. Yeah, here we go. So at this point, we need to pass in the, it's not really a delete, it's going to be an update playlist. Ooh. It's going to be like an update song from comment delete or something like that. This would be something weird. But we're at the playlist item, and then we're gonna say delete from playlist action. So show song list action. This is being rendered in our playlist item. So in our playlist item, we're going to need, let's call this thing update song from comment delete action. Jesus. Something like that. And essentially we'd need to pass that in here. song stuff out of here. And then in our playlist action, we do this here. Oh, oops. No, we do this here. And then show song list action. We need pass in there. So show song list action, pass in there. And then we do pass props, update song from comment delete action. And this is going to be in the song item. So our song item, delete comment from song action. We're also going to need update song from comment delete action. Oh my god, dude. This is actually crazy. Update song from comment delete action and our song item comment bar. Pass that in here. Oh, actually, I don't need to pass this all the way down. I don't need to pass this all the way down to the comment section. Now I think about it. Yo, the Aminami. Good morning. Good morning to you too, friend. What's going on? Welcome in. Yeah, I don't need to pass this down to the song item comment bar. I just need to pass it down to the song item itself. Right? And so if we have the song item here. But we might need to delete comment from song action. Hey, OP Scripter, welcome back. How you doing? It just sounds like there can be 19 hours difference between two people. Insane, right? I 100% agree with you. I think it's the weirdest thing. Like, even for me, I traveled across the US this past weekend, and it's only a 3-hour difference, but I was like, holy crap, man. How weird is time? Like, this construct of time that we've created as humans. It's the craziest thing. It's absolutely wild. But man, 19 hours, that's definitely a good amount of time. Wowza. So, because I'm wondering, delete comment from song action. What we can do. Oh, but since the delete comment from song action is passed all the way down, we won't be able to combine that into two methods. We might have to pass it all the way down. Yeah, no, yeah, I mean, US is pretty big, man. For sure. Yeah, I think I will have to pass it all the way down here. Oh. Delete comment from song action. So this is going to be... I'm going to go back. I'm going to go all the way back down, and then we're going to trace back up. Yeah, I think that's what we will need to do here. Comments list nav. So that's going to be comments list view. And so at this point, so comment state, so we do that there. Then here, delete comment from song, and then it's going to be delete or update playlist for song. So pretty much we're gonna have update song. Kind of want to change the name of this, but let's just move all the way up here. So we have our comments list, right? Comments list is being set here in the song items comment bar. That's where we're getting started. So we're going to need to pass this update song from comment delete action into this component. So we're going to pass it in like that. Right? And then our song item comment bar. Song item comment bar. That's where we need to go next to see where that's being rendered in our song item. And so then our song item has this action, update song from comment delete action. And then we're going to need to do this here, update from comment delete action. Okay. And then where's our song item getting called? Our song item is getting called in our swipeable song item. So our swipeable song item here, we'll need to also pass in this method. And then at that point, we go to render song item, which we're going to also pass in here. So list item component render song item, pass in another one. Pass this into our song item. All right. I'm back. Hey, welcome back, Royce. Wait, did you already have your interview? What the heck? What the heck? Well, that was quick. Now we're going to look for swipeable song item, which is being set in our song list view. So swipeable song item, or song list view. Now I was going to take in this thing. Jesus Christ. We're going to pass it in here. We took 45. Okay, cool. How'd you do? Feel good about it? Then we have song list view, which is being rendered. Oh, this is actually being pushed. Yeah. Our song list view is being set up in our playlist item. Yeah, so we have that here. Or passing that in. Then when you go to playlist item, I literally think we have just gone down probably, I don't know, almost 8 different files. I feel like this is not a good thing to be doing. But I don't know how else to do it. No, not that. Playlist item, update comment song. Yeah, here we go. Here we go. We need to pass that in here. It's not there. Oh no, sorry. Ugh. This is where we need to pass it. And then in our component here. Yep. Okay, cool. So that should be good. Oh, there it is. I think a couple of answers were a little weak, but we had a really nice chat at the end. They like my application so much that They had to meet me. Apparently, it's my first website, Britney Spears fan site. That's awesome. Wait a minute. Do you still have that website? Can we please get a copy of this thing? Get a link to this bad boy. All right, and swipeable playlist item. It was never live? Oh no. That would have been great. All right, playlist view. Oh, this is where we'll actually make it. Yeah. So, this is where we actually set up our update from comment delete action. All right. So I guess we make a new section here called, I guess like comment actions. Yo, Onyuka Dunyas. Hope I didn't butcher that too much. Thank you so much for the follow. Welcome to the Pixel team, my friend. Glad to have you here. Thanks for stopping in. My father's nice enough to not subject the world to that. Alright. Would have loved to see it anyways. Would have loved to see it. I love that. Britney Spears fan site. Let's go. Oh, so we'll probably... We have the song ID, but we'll probably need to pass back like the actual... Why don't we just pass back the actual song? Right? Because our actual song will have our ID, and it'll have our new comments data, which is what we need. Oh, is this issues? Oh, it's Tyler Carter. Yeah, nice. Oh, it's 10? Still though. I can imagine like all the like sparkles and like who knows what you put else in there. That's awesome. Well, if you find a local copy of it, you should let me know so I can take a look. Nice, Omni, nice. Alright, let's put a log here. We actually made it. And we're just gonna pass in our song. We're gonna print out our song to make sure we actually got it. So we now need to go back to our... Wowza. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different files needed this function. Holy bejesus. This is actually kind of insane. Yo, what's up, M. Holloway? That's impressive website, then. It is pretty impressive. But you know what they say. If we don't see it, it's not true. Pick or it didn't happen, you know what I'm saying? Or I guess website or it didn't happen. Go cry. I think we need to go to swipeable comment or song item comment. No. Here it is. Okay. So at this point, Wait. Yeah, so comments list, come here, and then we just pass in the, oh, but Jesus. We only have the song ID. So we actually, the sign is burned to my mind. If only we could see into your mind, or was. God damn it. I think we're going to have to pass back to song data. Well, actually, not really, though. Because delete comment from song action. We should bring this up one more layer. Is what we should really be doing here. So our song list item. This happens here. Be update song state, and then we'll have update playlist state. Yeah, that's what we should do. So we're actually going to pass back the array of songs. Okay. I think we're getting there. I think we're about ready to make our first click on this bad boy. So we don't need it all the way down here. Which is good. Song item comments bar, yes, we don't need. Yeah, we don't need that. Oh, sorry. In our song list view, we do have it though, right? Yeah, update song from comment delete action. So on delete comment from song action is called. When that's called, then we can do update playlist state of updated songs. All right, I think we're ready to do it. Let's see it. So at this point, what we should do, we should be able to delete a song. The song will be, or the comment will be removed from here. And then when we go back out, or we should also see a print statement of the new songs that have been, or yeah, print statement of all the songs, or most updated ones, I should say. Ooh, baby, I got something here. We actually made it. Oh, Jesus. Yes, and seven comments. Boom. Boom, baby. Because there was 8 here. Let's go. So the next thing should be 6, just to triple verify. Oh, my Lord. Yes. Dude, I did it. What? Wait a minute. Wait a gosh darn second. Was this a first try? That was totally a first try. Just as an FYI, in case anyone was curious. I did it. Yeah, I did it. Well, almost. I got all the way up. Now I just need to actually reset the state, and we're golden. Thanks, Roos. I'm glad you're proud of me. Woo. All right. So pretty much it's pretty much we need to get our playlist. Yeah, we need to get our playlist, and then take those songs, swap them out with these songs, and then reset the state. Right? That's the goal.
And we're gonna let it burn. Yeah, we're gonna let it burn. We're gonna let it burn.
How'd you make the website Adobe Dreamweaver? Which website are you talking about, Ami? There's a couple I have, that's why I was curious. Yo, Disney GM, what's up? Dude, is it Ionic? No, this is actually React Native. Yeah, no, Roars, we definitely do. I literally just brought that one method down just so I can set state. So for the comments, since it's 3 levels deep, a comment is a part of a song is a part of a playlist. So to update all of our, like, to update the proper context, we would have to update the comments, the song, or comments list, songs list, then playlist. So those are 3 different updates we have to do with one change. So yeah, maybe it might make sense, right? Might make sense to do that. I think like I've gotten good enough with kind of this state management stuff that I'll be able to implement some sort of Redux. Or is it relational? Isn't it like comments, playlist ID 1, song ID 2? Well, yeah, so I mean, it is relational, right? But they're all nested inside each other. So the reason why I'm doing this is like this view here. This view here is using the data. You're just nesting it? Maybe. It's just they're all like they're related to each other, right? So like a playlist, songs is related to a playlist and comments are related to songs. So like in order for this playlist view to update, the song needs to update, but in order for the songs to update, the comments need to update along with it. That makes sense. Update song from comment delete action. Yeah, I think we're gonna need to do something very similar to this, but we will need to pass back the playlist. Yeah, I do think we... Yeah, exactly. I think that probably will need to change. I think this will probably change with that. Like, definitely so. Okay, so we pass in the playlist ID there. So we'll need playlist ID. Excuse me. All right. So we actually made it. Const updated playlist. Playlist.map where our playlist equals ID. And then playlist.songs equals well, it should just be playlist.songs is now equal to our songs. Right? And then we just return playlist. And then we do set playlist update. And that's it. That should work. Because imagine trying to grab all that data in each call when you open the app. It seems redundant to me. Well, yeah. But also if they're related to each other, like how do you... Are you saying not to relate them? Or like, because essentially what would happen really, because like we could do it if we're trying to do this kind of like microservice serverless thing, right? You don't actually grab the data until you actually go to the view, right? Or you can beforehand, so you don't have to load it as you're loading up your table. But so like when I first hit this page, right, it would essentially do a call saying, hey, get my latest playlist information. My playlist information will include all my songs and all the comments related to those songs, and like all my playlists that I have. And then that would just be stored in state. Like something like that. Alright. So delete that. Oh no. So we should, I'm gonna do 5 here. Okay, so we should now have 5 left, 5 comments, and that should have updated. So if I go back, yes, it worked. All right. So now all of our, and that's 8. Yeah. Okay. So that big chain of shit worked. But yeah, I do think that this kind of shows that we're going to need to look at something here. Some sort of change. Big chain of shit. Let's go. What's up, Yag? Bro, we're just working on the big chain of shit. Yeah, dude. I mean, this looks good. All right. As you are. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. All right. So let's commit this stuff. And what we're going to do is move on to the next things in regards to this. So that will be oh, wrong one. That will be the make sure to hide delete action comes not written by you. Yes, that should be it. Hey Ami, yeah. Oh, we actually moved to GitHub issues. I should probably change that. Yeah, so if you actually head over there, that's going to be our latest. Yeah, sorry about that. I forgot to update it. That's going to move us over to that. And so we have all the issues that we're doing set up there. And you can also feel free to add your own issues and contribute in any way you'd like. Adding. Oh, actually, I wanted to do this. I need to change this thing. I think we should rename this. Update song. Oops. Update song from comment delete action. I think this should be called like update song in playlist. I think most of the modern songs that I know from some game. Oh, really? What game's that? Update songs in playlist. Action. Update songs in playlist action. How does that sound? Update songs in playlist action. I mean, that pretty much describes what it is. The problem is, yeah, no, it's exactly what it is. Yeah. Just make sure it still works. Burnout 3 on PS2 or Tony Hawk Pro Skater or SSX 3. Dude, those are some classic games. Tony Hawk's Pro Skater had like one of the best soundtracks. That game was so good, man. Cool. Awesome. Still works. So let's recommit this. So git commit, adding playlist song, playlist, or song update action or playlists. All right. How's Grüvee been doing the last, I don't know, 3 weeks? I've not felt the best mentally the past week, so I didn't really have much energy to watch. Oh, dude, that's okay. So it's the past couple weeks, I've actually had like a lot of burnout going on in my life, I feel like. So I've actually started changing the schedule to about 3 times a week, basically like skipping every other day. But today's the first stream back in probably, since last Thursday. Yeah, last Thursday. But I think overall we're doing well. We're implementing the whole common stuff, and we're almost done with that like big action. And then once we're done with that, I think there's like maybe 1 or 2 more mock things to do, and then we can actually start setting up like our actual service calls. So that'll be really good. But sorry you've been feeling mentally drained, man. It's always good to get some rest and take a step back, you know? For sure. Yo, MK Reload, thank you so much for the follow. Welcome to the Pixelogic team, my friend. Glad to have you here. Okay, so now we want to set this up to only show our delete item if our current user is logged in. So I'm going to put myself as Ada Lantern, right? And so any comment that's written by me, I should be able to delete, else I don't want to be able to delete them. So, first of all, we're probably going to need to make, some sort of user object, which is pretty much what we have here. So, yeah, I guess let's start by creating a user, and then we go from there. Yeah, this cover is actually really great. Hey, awesome, yeah, that's really great to see. Dude, you and I are on the same boat, man. I'm glad to see that you're getting there. Yeah, I know, I don't have any user state yet. I'm just thinking about putting some, like, just some mock shit for now. Like, it doesn't have to be anything crazy. Maybe not even putting it in the state, just, like, saying, like, hey, this is my current user. And I think that's what I'll probably do, and then we'll update that after. Yeah, I think that's what I'll probably do. Because I have no idea how we're going to hold that stuff. That's going to go with the whole off flow. Swipe comment needs to go. That's where it needs to go. So const signed in username. Cool. So let's do that for now. Signed in username. Login, action, set user, ID username 1. Yeah, that's actually not a bad idea. I'm just gonna do this. Let's put a comment here. You're going to end up rewriting almost everything as soon as you implement the backend. I know. It's okay though. I think this was kind of a, like, maybe it wasn't the smartest thing to do, but I feel much better about like actually being able to do something else after doing all this, because now I'm understanding how this is all working. Yeah, just learning. So yeah, because this is not maintainable, so we're gonna have to definitely change it up. Okay, so basically we're gonna say signed in username. And so our swipeable render swipe action components. This is the part that I'm curious about. I'm thinking that what we can do is just say like, we just do a conditional here. Right, I think, whoa, excuse me. I think we can do that. We can be like, or we just do that in here. I wonder if I'm able to return nothing or just null. So we can say if signed in username signed in username equals comment dot sender, right? Sender, yeah. Then we do this. Yeah, I feel like maybe I can return null, but we'll find out. All right. Wait, what? This isn't maintainable? Oh man, what a surprise! So you're generating HTML from JavaScript? Yo, what's up, Victor? Welcome in, man. Haven't seen you for a while. In a sense, not really. We're using this library called React Native. So this isn't actually HTML that we're writing here. This is a different form of JavaScript, which I think would be like the easiest way to explain it. But this doesn't boil down to HTML. I don't believe it does, at least. Maybe it does. Hey, it worked. Hell yeah. Nice. So I guess the thing is, oh, balls. How do we not make it swipeable? Right? Like, we don't want it to be a swipe action cell. Shit. Yeah, I was talking about more about wow. I was talking more about React in general. React Native, yeah, but React Native Web. Cool. Hack swipe to reply. Ah, man. Yeah, we probably would need to set something up like that, right? God damn it. Oh, I'm trying to think what we can do here. That is a good hack, though. I feel like that would probably be pretty useful. Yeah. So the problem is, And that wouldn't be an issue. The problem is the fact that this is an animated swipe row. And so this is a swipe action component, meaning the swipe action component is what handles this whole swipe, right? And our action, obviously. So at this point, we would just not render an animated swipe row. Yeah, we would just have to render a regular item, and that's it. Yo, that's Kobe! What's up, Kobe? Dude. Yes! I hope you're tuning in right at work right now, or I'm gonna be angry. Welcome in, man. What's up, what's up? Yeah, so I think... Swipeable comment item. I think we're gonna have to do that. Roars, you be right, girl. And our comment list view, I think that should be okay. So I think what I can do is just actually add a comment item, right? So we already have this here. Because literally render item just does this. So why can't I just do... I think I can literally just call this, right? Like I could probably just do that. Just landed in Newark, literally still on the plane. Are you that bored, man? What are you doing in Newark, man? Are you there for a conference? AKA another birthday party. Yeah, let's okay. So let's just do that then, I guess. I managed to censor myself. Wait, what? What happened? Yo, David, what's up? Can put a conditional in the render item to decide which item to use. Yes, that's also a good thought. So here's the difference though. This render swipe action component. Oh, or maybe, yeah, you could be right. Instead, we just put this inside our render item. But our render item's actually used here in our list item component. So I think what we can do here, if I can remember, maybe we should write something. You say girl. I do all the time. No, I wish. Funeral for a family member, but a word on the street is apparently 80 in Prevail in New York City tonight. Oh, dude. Sorry, man. That sucks, dude. Well, hope that goes well, but I mean, no better way to celebrate some life than with an ADTR and I Prevail show. You know what I'm saying? You should head over there ASAP. I'm actually going to see Issues tonight. Super stoked. Okay, so we can say if signed in username equals comment dot sender and render item, right? I think this is how it works. If I remember, comment and set item action heights. Yeah, so we literally just render this item. Or we can't do that. I can never remember. Yo, thanks for coming by, Colby. Peace, dude. Have a good one. I saw the Regenerates on Sunday. Oh, how was it? Regenerates. What the fuck? Can I not read? Regrets. My bad. I would say milady. Milady. I never know how to write conditionals in here. They made all the males stand at the back for the last song. They waited for an adamant a-hole. Nice. Don't need the curly braces? Really? But inside of the return of this render, so it would have been like signed in username is equal to comment.sender. Like I can't do this, right? Like that's not a thing. Just need a little August Burns Red in my life. You know what I mean? Whew. Yo, this is sick. Heck yeah! Thank you all for the help. Appreciate that. But yeah, so essentially what we just did was we checked to see if the signed-in user is equal to the comment sender, and then if it's not equal, we just return our render item, which is literally just our comment item here. The difference between our comment item and our animated swipe row is that our animated swipe row has this kind of like delete animation that you saw how it goes up and stuff like that. Yo! Stewie K Soft coming in? add songs to your playlist, and also comment on different songs and talk about each song within this app, as well as deep link into your favorite streaming app. So welcome in. Thanks for coming by, Stewie dude. Thank you again for that raid, man. How was your stream? Oh yeah. Fixed I think about 8 or 9 issues, so overall good. Got no issues left in my issue tab. Oh my god, that's the best feeling. Very nice, man. And what are you working on, by the way? $82 stars? Looks pretty solid, man. Nice stuff. The feature page is where you'll actually see what's done. Oh, only one. There must be some extra padding somewhere. There has to be, right? There's got to be something here that I mean, I guess the fact that... Oh, maybe because the cell... So the cell render, that's the cell size there. But if I go in here, the cell width... Yeah, okay, that's why. The width is that full width. So we're going to have to change that. I mean, you're using React here. I use Preact in my Menace, so curious to see what actually React looks because I've never used it. Yeah, dude, we're actually using React Native, so it's going to be essentially the same, but just a tad different, obviously due to native things on iOS and Android. But yeah, man, let me know if you have any questions. I think I'm doing, like, okay, this is my first, like, big dive into React. I've done a little bit of it before, but, yeah. Basically, the flow that's working, the way that I'm doing it this time is I've designed everything out here. So we have all of our sections set up and designed, and I'm using a bunch of mock data, but I've used the mock data set up in a way how I would like my data, or how I'd like my my endpoints to return my data. And then once we're done with this kind of like end-to-end flow, then I'll go ahead and actually set up the backend services to call this stuff. So getting there, but not quite. I just use straight up JS. Yeah, sometimes it'd be nicer. But you know, something actually is really funny. Over the weekend, I've been working on an iOS project using native Swift, and so I had to create a table view, right? So something like this, or something like this, and I was like, holy shit, man! I kind of wish that I could just do this in React Native right now. I'm like, I don't know why I'm doing this in Swift. What a pain in the butt it is. I was like, it's so much easier to set this stuff up in React Native. I don't know why. So we're gonna need to do, well, poop. We're gonna need to go to the comment item, right? Yeah, so it's flat list, cell render. And so our cell render, for our render item, we have a set height, but we need the width. What backend language do you use? So I'm not using a backend language yet, but the goal is to use something like Azure Functions to create a more serverless approach to this. And I think with Azure Functions, we'll probably use something like Node.js, because I'm most familiar with that. But we'll see what's out there. Welcome in, Andres. Thanks for coming by. We hate CSS. Yeah, dude. Everyone hates CSS. No one likes it. I lied. There are probably people out there that do like it, but no one sane likes it. So swipe out comment item. The width. So the height we have for the container. Did I do something in song list? Let's see if I might have set a height in the styling for something, or width, excuse me. Button container. No. So that means inside of our actual render item, swipe song item. then that would have worked already. This is quite peculiar. It kind of stinks because React Native, you can't see like what classes are being applied. I wish you could, because that would give us a really easy point. Okay. It doesn't make sense to me because if none of the other ones have the margin on it, why do I need to do that here? Let's just try a style here. Yo, Bulbazov VR, welcome in. Thank you so much for the follow. Welcome to the Pixologic team. Glad to have you, friend. Yeah, I mean, Or did I put something around the like the container? Maybe it's this. It actually could be this content container. Let's go to that real quick. I'm pretty sure that might be it. Comments. History. Yeah, that would make sense too. Ayo! That was it. I knew it. Boom. Something dumb like that. I feel like the content padding though could be a tad bit larger. Do you know Ionic Framework? I know of it, but I've never used it before. I knew it was something silly like that. Okay. So if that's the case, let's do 20. Yeah, there we go. I think that looks better. All right. Holy Jesus, we did good. Do you use any framework now? Yeah, currently we're using React Native. That's how we're building this whole thing. So I think we just finished this. All right. So we did this. Hell yeah, dude. And we already set up the proper state. So really, this is actually a good stopping point for me. And so the latest is up in the song comments branch if you're curious and want to take a look. And so I guess it's just the next setup. So that's going to be adding a comment section. Why is the vertical spacing on the top comment different? That's a great question. I have no idea. Yeah, it's right here. And oh, I know exactly why. Good catch. It's because we're using two separate components here for that. And so one of them probably has some padding going on the bottom here. Comment item. Yeah, padding vertical 10. Actually curious what would happen if we take that out. What's up, Bill? Thanks for that catch, man. Appreciate it. Oh, baby. Looking so good. No, that wasn't it. So then it must be... I guess I can just also inspect it. See what the dealio is here. Oh, I wonder if that has a margin. Margin bottom 5. That also has a margin bottom 5. But why? The height of this must be different. Which is sort of odd. Right? So the height... is 64. Oh, but this... Swipeable comment item has a margin bottom of 10. Margin bottom. Oh, that's weird. So the swipeable comment item has a margin bottom of 5, but this one has a margin bottom of 10. And that's in the... This is in the one that... Swipeable comment item. Where you at there, friend? Why you do this? Why you do this? Height 75. Oh, comment list view, line 12. Will that tell me where you are? Swipeable comment item, yeah. Okay. But where are you? Yeah, I wonder where that's coming from. Because inside of this thing, padding vertical, padding horizontal. But then we have a margin. So do I even need the margin on the common item anymore though? This is a question to begin with. Okay, yeah, that's... So the swipe, the non-swipe ones though, it would make more sense. Oh, is it because styles.container is applied there, but since we're using swipeable comment item, this is an animated swipe row, so our animated swipe row doesn't have the padding on the bottom. Yo, CS Andreas, thank you so much for the follow. Welcome to the Pixelogic team, my friend. Glad to have you. Hey, Janie Rocks, is this React Native? It is. You are correct. Fartquake 999, let's go. Thank you so much for the follow, friend. Welcome to the team. Glad to have you here. Fartquake. That's good. That's real good. What in the heckle? So these are both still, oh no, one is a render item, or one is just the comment item, and the other one is going off the animated swipe row. So, I mean, I guess animated swipe row, we ain't got any styling on here. It's just a swipe row. Or styles.swipe, oh, wait. We do, it's just in another file, I always forget. Margin bottom 20, swipe container. Margin bottom 10. Here it is. So if our swipe row has it, then if our swipe row has it, then we need to also include it in our other ones. Oh man. Hey, Janie Rocks, thanks so much for the follow. Appreciate you being here. Welcome to the team. How old are you, bro? I'm 26. You found it? Dude, Bill, we found it. Found it, Bill. I'm not leaving until I fix this thing. Because you're right. That looks like doo-doo. Get a margin bottom 5. Pog, bro. Pog it. Pog it, bro. I feel as though we should give this 10. That's how I'm feeling right now about this moment. Voila. Because all the other ones are 10, so probably should give it a 10, eh? Are they though? Yeah. Right? It should be a 10. Yeah. Okay. Because they're all using that same component. Neat. Yeah, thanks for that, Bill. Appreciate you, dude. Boom. Look at that. Delete. 7. 7. Which playlist was it? 7. Oh my. Let's go. And of course, jQuery. Ooh. Kappa Kappa. Okay, so we got that set up. That is good. We should probably commit that now. All right, so the next thing, I'm gonna write down our next steps. Yeah, I'm gonna write down the next steps and we will go from there because I do have to go now. What do you use for the DB? We actually don't have a DB set up yet. We're actually planning, I would like to use Azure Functions, probably with like, I don't know, some document-based DB because I like documents, but we'll see. We'll see. Doozy TV, thank you so much for the follow, friend. Welcome to the Pixelogic team. Glad to have you here. Yo, it's teal content. Someone help me with CSS. Oh, dude, you're on your own, man. Best of luck. Okay, so the next things we're going to need to do. Needed here are I actually do this. Add comment section. Update state for newly added comments. And then probably just like the only other thing I had in this design was the ability to like stuff, but I don't. Let's put a maybe add ability to like stuff. / ability to reply to specific comments. Yeah, because like I didn't even think about that stuff. You definitely need to do that. What are aggregate functions? Oh no, I said Azure, like Microsoft Azure. So the cloud service. Basically, it's instead of setting up a server that will hold a bunch of endpoints, we can create these things called Azure Functions, and then we can call those specifically, and they always do one task. And so one task will be create new user. They fill out the form, create the user. That will call our database, which will store information and then return data back to us, all in that one function. So it's called a serverless approach that we'll try to take. But in regards to database, I'm not really sure yet. If I'm going to use Azure, probably something along those lines, right? But I've also heard like DocumentDB is kind of expensive. So I always use MongoDB a lot. So I might just end up using that again. I don't know. So we'll see. But anyways, friends, thanks for coming out today. Appreciate you all being here. It's been real fun. Got a good amount of stuff done today. And if you're new to the channel, consider giving it a follow. Get notified when I go live. I'm here 3 times a week. The schedule changes pretty constantly, but usually Monday through Friday, one of those days, 3 of those days I'll be here. But we'd love to have you back. And if you want to get more involved in our community, we have an awesome Discord server where we have people showcase their projects, help each other out with programming questions, memes, and just music and all that fun stuff. So consider joining it. We'd love to have you in there. But at the end of every stream, I love throwing raids to new programmers. And we always have a raid message for that. So if you're a sub, grab that first raid message, Adalan Rip the Bun. And if you're not, don't worry, grab the second one, Twitch Raid Rip the Bun. Love to have you here. I don't know if we're gonna raid someone new today, but let's go ahead and raid our boy Sam Griffin. Another great programmer here on Twitch. Don't forget to grab those raid messages, friends. Adalan, Rip the Bun. We're not to change this raid message, huh? Since we're like now trying to grow back the bun. Yeah. But thank you all again for coming by today. It's been a lot of fun. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. And I'll see you same time, same place here on Thursday. Won't be streaming here tomorrow, but Thursday and Friday. Get back on Grüvee. We're going to have a good time. Thank you again, friends. Have a great rest of your day.